Hi guys, you're all welcome to this virtual training session about Informatica MDM, and today we'll try to explore more on the matching. Okay, that is how once data has been loaded into this, so what happens after that, how you do the matching. It's very much simple. So when data is loaded, initially the consolidation indicator flag will be 4, and gradually that will change from 4 to 3, that is Q for merging, Q for match, and then it changes to 2, that is Q for merge, and then finally it changes to 1. So this is what happens internally. Okay, so this is about the match process. So how that works is, first of all, tokens are generated for the, let's say if your fuzzy key is address. Let's say if your address is your fuzzy key is address. Let's say your address is something like house number 123 something, then California, then dot some information. So Informatica, what it does is it generates multiple tokens based on this. It generates an 8 char token. It looks something like AUTP, then something like this or something like this. So it generates multiple tokens, and based on the tokens it will try to create match pairs. That is let's say Amit and Amit K. Let's say these are the two records. So it first of all tries to create a match pairs between these two records based on these tokens. If there is any single token that is common between these two records, then the match pair will be formed. Once the match pair is formed, then the next step is to do the actual matching. That is, you do the actual matching to understand if these two are actually the same customers or not. Okay, so for all this you need to configure the match rules. Okay, so you need to go here, you need to configure all of these properties, this match rules, this match columns you need to select. Okay, all of these match columns wherever you want to use. Let's go here and check this out. So you can see this, there are match columns that have been configured. Okay, once you configure the match columns, then you go with the match rule sets. There you define the rules that could either be on a fuzzy level or on an exact match level. It could be literally anything. So once you do that, then you are done with this example. So finally these two records will be matched. See, first of all, just try to understand this. If the name of this table, let's say, is C_account, so initially tokens will be generated and they will be stored in C_account._strp. This is the table where your tokens will be stored, and once the matching is done, then in this table the match pairs will be stored. Okay, that is Amit row ID and Amit K row ID, and it will tell you if it was an exact, it was an auto match or it was a manual merge. Okay, you can find that out. So once that is done, then the status changes to 2. So that's all about the matching process. It's very complicated. It's quite you can say a bit complex to understand, but that's all about the matching process that I am explaining. Okay, thank you very much for listening.